You have something the world needs to hear, but right now you're invisible, and someone with half your expertise is getting the stages, the clients, the income you know you deserve. I've been studying why this happens for years, and I found something the branding world will never tell you because it exposes a gap in almost everything they can offer you. I was working with the CEO of a nonprofit doing genuinely important work. Smart, credible, the real deal. But when he stood up to speak, people saw a CEO reporting on the important work of the charity, and what we wanted them to see is a thought leader with a compelling story and a cause worth their sacrifice. He raised a record $1.2 million that night, and a board member later told me that the CEO appeared like a completely different person, and the room that was usually chatty during those talks was completely silent. That success came from something that happened long before he stepped on that stage.
My name is Peter Parker. I was bitten by a radioactive spider.
A creative process most people never learned and almost nobody installs. I'm going to show you exactly what that is, a 3-part system I use myself and coach my clients through. Heads up, the first part is very counterintuitive. So let's get into it. I'm Christian Ray Flores, founder of Xponential. We help people like you build and grow their personal brand. Before we dive in, one myth needs to die and one truth needs to sink in. The myth: you need to be an influencer, some caricature of a bad internet personality with 1 million followers. You don't. You need 1,000 people who trust you, love your content, spread the word, and want to buy from you. That's your minimum viable audience. There are creators with 1 million followers who are broke and creators with 1,000 who are millionaires. Here's the truth that absolutely needs to sink in. If you have anything to offer the world, a cause, a product, a service, everything is downstream from an audience you can reach. No reliable system to reach more people, you will struggle, you will second guess yourself, you will be in perpetual scarcity. You may have an extraordinary offer, but the people who need you most don't know you exist. There's only one way to fix this invisibility problem. Create content people actually want to consume and share. You don't need a full production stack or massive budget. You don't need to have it figured out before you start. No one is good on day one. And the people you're watching have been refining their craft for 5 to 10 years.
Shh, quiet. I know what I'm doing, okay?
Do you?
You just need to turn on the camera and commit to building the work that attracts the exact people you want. Work that scales your impact and runs while you sleep. Now that you've busted the myth and understand the truth that can actually unleash your creativity, you need a system. James Clear nails it. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. You're successful because of systems you've made second nature. Content creation is no different. Here's what I coach my clients on, what I use myself. I call it the 3-2-1 system. Every week, you maintain a living document, digital or on paper, with 3 layers. It becomes the source of all your content. You'll never run out of ideas, and you'll always have a system to refine them. 3, 2, 1. 3 ideas. Raw thoughts, something that hit you in the shower, on a walk, in a conversation, a paragraph, your stream of consciousness, just the gist of it. This is where you capture inspiration before it disappears. 2 concepts, ideas you've taken a step further, a hook, an illustration, a takeaway, not perfect, just fleshed out enough that you can see where it's going. And then 1 script, a finished, fully polished piece of content ready to record or publish. Several times a week, you revisit the document. You scratch ideas, you add new ones, you promote a concept to a script, you sharpen your writing, sharpen your thinking, and as your audience responds, their feedback feeds your creative process right back in. The 3-2-1 system gives you a workspace for your creativity. So you're never staring at a blank page, and you're never losing a brilliant idea because you didn't write it down. You start simple, 1 or 2 minutes of video or a short article on whatever platform you choose. That's it. Do this consistently, and in 2 or 3 months, you'll be unrecognizable as a creator. Your audience will grow, and you'll feel a momentum that only consistent action can build.
Because I'm a genius.
Now that you have a 3-2-1 system, a framework guaranteed to transform what you can create for a grateful audience, I need to tell you about the value of having a focal point to aim at. If you're still watching this and leaning in, you may be my people. You already understand that having a system and mastering it with some help are 2 very different things. That's the sole purpose of Xponential coaching. We accept new members through an applications-only process. So if you comment apply, we'll send you an offer document with all the details. Now, let's talk about finding your focal point. Here's what most people get wrong. They think their journey is too messy to be valuable, too many pivots, too many contradictions, too unrelated. But the truth is, there are no minor details in your story. There is pure gold there. The truth isn't that you don't have enough to say, it's that you haven't made space to connect the dots yet. Your best practices, your pattern recognition, your mistakes, your origin story, it all matters.
We have to finish the game. I think we have to save Jumanji.
The context, the nuance, the experience that seems unrelated on the surface, that's the raw material that makes you distinct and unforgettable. You just need a focal point to organize it. That focal point is the one thing that organizes everything else. It has gravitational pull. It's what lights up your passion and makes sense of your career, your values, and your expertise. Everything you've learned orbits around it, and all the dots of your journey finally connect. Once you have a focal point, then you build out a few pillar concepts. These are quintessential truths you've discovered around the focal point. Each one carries stories that illustrate it and practical applications that make it real for your audience. Let me show you what that looks like. A friend and client with a distinguished career in finance, international banking, high-level business, the kind of track record that turns heads, came to me knowing that the treasure trove he had needs to be organized. But when we started working together, he couldn't fully articulate how his whole journey added up to one integrated, ultra-valuable picture. So we went through this process together, and we found his focal point, unlocking value in companies through a contrarian approach. Once we found that focal point and built out the pillar concepts, everything came to life. The stories, the strategies, the frameworks, they were always there. Now we could see them clearly. That's exactly what happens when you stop trying to be someone else and start trusting your own pattern recognition. Your journey isn't random. It's just waiting to be organized around the right idea. If you embrace the 3-2-1 system and find your focal point, you'll make extraordinary progress. But unless you make an actual identity shift, your impact will stay smaller than it should be. Here's the identity shift. I'm guessing you've been a leader and a doer most of your life. To experience a real quantum leap, you must adopt the identity of a creator. That imposter inside of you will whisper that you're just dabbling, experimenting, that you're not really a content creator yet. You must kill that voice and decide that creating content is a core part of your job. In some ways, it is your job. I have the honor to interview some of the top thinkers and leaders in the world on this podcast. One of them is Nick Marks, statistician, author, and speaker of a viral TED Talk with over 3 million views. When I asked him what made him go from statistician to thought leader on a global scale, he said, "My real craft is communication." He credits the creator identity with his contribution to the world. My favorite author on the creative process, Steven Pressfield, puts it this way: turning pro is a decision brought about by an act of will. We make up our minds to view ourselves as pros and we do it. Simple as that. Going pro as a content creator is the launchpad for exponential impact. And it starts with a simple act of will, a clear creative process, a focal point for your content, an identity shift as a creator. If you want to stay in the loop about building and growing your brand, I want to ask you for a favor. Subscribe, share with somebody who needs it, and go to my newsletter, christianrayflores.com, to get 1 email a week about this stuff. Now, watch this video about the 3 skills that will make you undeniable. I think you're going to thank me later.